Are you facing network issues inside your home, like call drops, low data speed? Here is the solution. Mobile Signal Booster. It repeats signal from outside to inside, so you get better signal strength. 3 steps easy to install. Outside antenna, signal booster. Inside antenna, outdoor cable, indoor cable. Number 1 outside antenna pulls in tower signal. Number 2 signal booster amplifies signal. Number 3 inside antenna rebroadcasts signal. Then cell phone gets boosted signal. Now got better signal strength and fast data speed. Thank you.